Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to connect GoDaddy domain to Replit. So there's a step-by-step guide and make sure you will have logged in. And right now, as you can see, we will just move in the GoDaddy domain. And I want to just look for like how to state, and we will just search for domain as it no. So as you can see, there's an premium domain for this price, and make sure you will just have to purchase a subscription, and you will just have to buy this domain name. And after we will move in the replit.com, and as you can see, you will just have to paste it from the GoDaddy domain. But before pasting, you will just have to upgrade your plan to publish. So let's see the upgrade plan. So the starter is for free, and you will just have to Replit core per month or team. So you will just have to purchase any of plan, and you will just also have the up to 20% off yearly. So after when you just purchase, you will just have to copy it from here, and you will also buy it from here the domain, and you will just have to simply paste it here. And in this way you will just have to connect GoDaddy domain to Replit. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.